It gets real. I'm trying to catch them all, bluefin the bluegill. The tug is the drug that I love to feel. So my line going deep like a Navy SEAL. Whether rockfish or a monkey face seal, I'm trying to fillet them up and put something on the grill. I stay with a rod, boy, I fish for real. It gets real, man, you know the deal. Tryna hook up on a hog, no Netflix and chill. I'll be throwing crankbaits with the lipless bill. They ask about the honey hole, but my lips are sealed. On stock day, I'm catching limits when the lakes get filled.
Back out here at the San Joaquin River. Gonna see what we could hook up on today. Looking nice and high. Little bait fish jumping ready. Something might be chasing them. Gotta hurry up and get my line out there. Water's pretty high today. Don't seem to be flowing a lot though, but let's get our lines wet. Let's get some anchovies out there. First cast of the day, guys. Some guys pulled up over there. There's a lot more at the bridge. Might see a lot more today. Hopefully they stay away from me. Gonna be trying this Super Spook. Got these hook covers, Bass Pro. Love these things. They come in like a 50 pack or something, whole bunch of these for like, I don't even know, 10 bucks or less. Oh, got one, got one, got one. Big old bass, bro. TV right here. Oh, that's super spook. Look at that. Oh shit. Damn. Woo. Look at that.
That's a carp?
Nah, bass.
Oh, bass? Oh, shit, that's big.
Yeah, big old bass. That boy out here catching biggins. Woo. Look at that. Now we're catching biggins, boy. Let's get the official weight on this. Okay, zeroed out. 4.4. Look at that. Out here on the San Joaquin. Alright, let's get the release on. Shout out Tug Addicts. The release. There he goes. Hey, what's up, guys? Back out here on the San Joaquin River. Was just out here yesterday. Caught that little catfish. Caught my PB largemouth bass. So very excited about that. Man, that was awesome. Awesome catch right there. Gonna see what we could hook up on today. Water's about the same. I think it dropped just a little bit. You know, already first things first, I got my bait rod already sitting out there with anchovies. Gonna see what that could, see what wants to hit that. Gonna start throwing my lures right now, see what I could get. Alright, got double bait rods in right now. Gonna see what happens. People just pulled up over there. See what happens. That was a nice channel cat, guys. Look at that. Nice channel cat, perfect. Alright guys, no more bites after that. It was a pretty good 2 days out on the San Joaquin River. Definitely one of my favorite spots. Definitely getting warmer out here, so hopefully from now on the fishing's 10 times better. Look at all that, guys. Make sure you guys pick up all your trash when you leave.
Casting and reeling, I'm catching fish, it's not feeling my drag be screaming and swilling. These fish be pulling and pinning. Yeah, it's one hell of a feeling when you're reeling up a monster. Double-digit fish, same size as a toddler. They don't wanna ride, looking like I hooked the Loch Ness. Catch me low tide, pole poking in the pockets. A fish in top water with a water popper popping. Never empty-handed up in Bass Pro Shop. 20-something rods and I still keep copping. I'm a fish forever till they